Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, during this video I'm going to show you how you can submit an EOI, in other terms an expression of interest for skilled migrant category resident visa New Zealand. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this New Zealand immigration website. Here you like, definitely you should read the requirements and other things before. Okay, now in order to apply you need to click on login for your Realme. If you don't know how to create a Realme account, I'm going to include a link in the description that you can follow, but first you should have this account and then you can log in. So I'm going to log in and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay guys, so I logged in and again it took us to the same page. Do you want to apply for a migrant resident visa? I select yes. Do you have a Visa MasterCard? Select yes. Next, complete form. Fine. Okay, but remember one thing, there is no fee to submit EOI. Only when you are invited to apply, then you need to pay. Okay. If you're filling the form for myself, yourself, this. But as an immigration consultant, they'll go for this. Your details, your last name. Of course, I won't be submitting. First name. Are you known by any other name? I select no. Gender. Date of birth. Do it as per your own case. This is all the data you see here is absolutely sample. Relationship status, I select single. Country of birth. Country of citizenship. Do you have current passport? Yes. Passport number. Every detail you enter here guys, verify 2 times, not just once. Country or territory of passport. Passport expiry date. Do you hold any other citizenship? So India does not allow dual citizenship, so of course it will be, but based on your nationality and your situation you can answer. Contact details. Wow, I'm not filling this optional fields, but definitely you should do. Why wouldn't you? I mean, when you are doing, like, try to fill everything that you can. Why not do? Country. State. Wow. Phone number. Oh, I'm sorry. Sample guys, email address. Provide proper email address. You don't want your email address to be wrong, right? Should we send communication with the submission to the address entered in your contact details? Why not? Your health. Do you have any form of tuberculosis? No. Do you have multi-type resistant TB and extensive drug resistance? Do you need renal dialysis? Do you have severe hemophilia? Full-time care in the community that may need hospital care? Are you pregnant? This is for women, so for men they can go for not applicable. Have you previously provided checks certificate? I select no. Have you previously provided general medical certificate? No. I mean, as per your case. Has the physician submitted health information to immigration event for you? I select no. Have you ever been convicted and sentenced to prison of 5 years or more? No. Sentenced to prison 12 months or more within last 10 years? Are you currently under investigation, wanted for questioning of official charges or for any offense in any country including New Zealand? I say no. Do you have an outstanding arrest warrant in any country, including New Zealand? I select no. Have you ever been convicted any time of any offense? Excluded from any country, including New Zealand? Liable for deportation? I said no. Refused a visa by any country, excluding New Zealand? Always be very honest. Have you ever been a member or supporter of any terrorist organization? No. Have you ever argued publicly that one race or color is superior, inferior? A member of group that assumed one race? Wow. Committed war crimes against humanity. Go through all of the questions and answer accordingly. List the country including country that you have lived in 12 months or more in last 10 years. Okay. Okay. Country. So let's say this guy has never been out of India. Date of arrival. So this guy, let's say, uh, I'm just putting sample, but do it as per your case. Enter today's date if you are still there, so I'll do that. If you want to add more countries, you can do English language details. English test which is no more than 2 years old. Okay. English language test adults with overall score of 6.5 and higher. I select that. Test result when it was taken. Do you work in New Zealand in a job or want you work in New Zealand in a job you want to use for skilled employment? I select no. Means we are not in New Zealand. Do you have an offer of employment in New Zealand? I select no. But if you have, definitely provide information. Okay. So in this case I select yes. It is asking for the start date. Let's say I'm doing hourly rate of pay. Let's say number and full stop allowed. I select 70. Enter the Australian city and just support. Okay. Good pay at above median. I select yes. You have permanent offer. How many hours you will per week? 30 hours or more each week. Is your job offer employer who is currently accredited with? Yes. Postal address or manually enter below. I'm gonna enter manually below because of course I don't have address. This is sample video, but if you've got a genuine job offer, definitely you will have it. So contact person, phone number, definitely provide email address, definitely. I'm skipping it because they are not mandatory, but definitely you provide if you have a job offer. So select the skill category you're claiming for. So I go for qualification. Did you get your qualification at a Then education institution in New Zealand, I select no. Is your qualification included on the list of qualification exempt from assessment? I select no. Means you have, I assume you have applied for International Qualification Assessment IQI. I select yes. This happens in other countries too. Assessment number and what it later turned out to be master degree or bachelor. Okay, bachelor honors degree. Okay, number. Sample. Name of qualification. Let's say you have masters of technology in IT. Date when you obtained. Let's say you obtained 2020. Just sample. Major area of study. I mean, you have to do as per your own case. I'm just okay. Country. I select India. Skilled work experience. Let's say you have not worked in New Zealand, so I'm selecting none. Oh. So what I'm gonna do, it says not qualified, so I'll go for this master's degree. Yeah. So now if I select none, what happens? So you have to meet at least 6 points. Okay, I'm just trying, guys. So if I go for doctoral degree, 6 points. Now will it be? Yeah, okay. So minimum chosen skill category 6, so they have new details. Enter details of your immediate family members if you want to include them in this EOI. Okay, like your partner and dependent children. Are you including partner or dependent children in this subject? Let's say this guy has none, so that's why none. You can end up to 15 family members, quite much. Declaration. You need to agree and submit. Of course, I'm not submitting it, but let's see for partnership what it does. Okay. Okay, you have to do in 50. Passport and partner information, okay, and children, okay. This you need to enter. Okay, this form I'll cover in a separate video, but yeah, you need to provide the information of them here. If you select yes, if you have, of course, then you need to provide details like partner, relationship, partner details. Yeah, so based on your answer, it will give you their details too. And of course, because they're coming with you, they're going to ask security and other questions for them also. Health and security for sure, English requirements too. And once you are through all of that, you can submit the form here at the end. And that's how simple it is, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a subscribe, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.